everyone, I'm Kicha. I cook, I eat, I'm hungry for more. Welcome to KichaTube HD. Today we're going to be making tomato rice. So let's begin. First add ghee. Wait for it to heat up. Then crack in mustard seeds. Then we get all of them into the ghee. Also add cumin seeds and wait for them also to crack. Add whole spices, cinnamon, cloves and cardamom, followed by chili flakes. Saute. Wow, it looks so colorful. Then goes in chopped onions. Saute. Then add crushed ginger garlic. Saute until the raw smell goes. Now add the main ingredient, tomatoes. Saute. Next goes in the salt. Saute again. Now close the lid and cook for some time. Wow, it smells and looks good. Then add chili powder and turmeric powder. Saute a little bit. Now add the tomato juice. Blend tomatoes without adding water. Mix well. Add sugar and mix well. Put a lid and cook for 5 minutes until thickens. Whoa, it looks so cool. And add 1 cup of water. Mix well and cover it, cook for a few minutes. Wow, it's a lovely color and lovely smell too. Let's mix a little bit to even it out and add cooked rice. I love rice. Mix well so that all the rice is covered. You can use any white rice you want like basmati rice, but I am using jeera rice. Put the lid on and cook for 2 minutes until the rice absorbs tomatoes flavor. Add ghee. Mix. Mix well. Flatten and garnish with coriander leaves. Add a little more. Switch off and close the lid and leave it for 10 minutes before serving. Wow, the tomato juice has given the lovely color to the tomato rice. That is one of the special ingredients and it looks awesome and I can't wait to eat it. Thank you for watching KichaTube HD. If you like this video, and subscribe for more yummy videos.